Why is it so important to think about your architectural designs as being filters? I'm Maria Lorena Lehman, founder of Sensing Architecture. And in this micro lecture, we're going to explore how to better personalize your architectural designs. You see, as you're engaging in the design and planning of your concept for your architecture project, it's important, as you know, to analyze your occupant's narrative, not just the narrative of one individual, but the narrative of also the collective that your architecture will serve. And in doing this, you'll begin to notice that different occupants have different preferences, different routines and habits, different milestones they'd like to achieve, and different needs at any given time. And in doing this, it might help you to think of your architecture in a more time-based fashion, where your architectural features are orchestrated to emit stimuli that feed occupant senses at just the right time, but that also do this by filtering. Your architecture can filter aspects like the material stimuli that it emits, or nature patterns in the weather, for example. You see, by filtering patterns, you're able to accommodate and foster occupant needs and goals in a more personalized fashion. Your architecture, when using aspects of new technologies like sensors, for example, can begin to target occupant-specific characteristics. And in doing this, your architecture can better filter in and filter out the necessary stimuli that is needed to meet those needs for your given occupants. And the best part is that your architecture can do this to feed multiple individuals, a collective of individuals, differently at any one time. So this taps into how you can personalize your architecture for a group or a collective of occupants from moment to moment. So when you think about using filter to create new types of boundaries within your architecture, so that your stimuli that gets emitted isn't just one orchestration of stimuli that feeds all occupants the same, but it becomes recipes of stimuli that get orchestrated to feed occupants, different occupants over time. And in doing this, each of your occupants will achieve higher levels of success when experiencing your architecture.